Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Nissan key fob. Depending upon the features installed in your Nissan, you're either going to need a 2032 or a 2025 battery. And either way, you're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver about this size. And I've included links below in the description to everything that I've shown here. So what you want to do here is take this little notch, push it up, and remove your mechanical key. Next, take your screwdriver and you want to put it on either side here, and then just insert and twist and separate the two halves. Now you have access to your battery, and it will tell you right here which specific one you need. Go ahead and remove your battery with your screwdriver. And go ahead and put the new battery, make sure it's positive side facing down. Clip these two back together. Put your mechanical key back in, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.